Matt from Urchfab. This is day 10 on the recovery truck build. Today we're going to paint the bed. So first job, I need to degrease the whole thing and then get some primer on it, and then once that's dry we're going to get some paint on it. So that's it all in primer. I put some a bead of sealer down the edge of the rails here, and also just in the back of these bits, just where any water's going to sit, so it doesn't get down in between any joins. Quite a few runs and stuff. I think I've thinned the paint out a bit too much, but so about 2 minutes into starting to prime this, I really wish that I'd just taken it somewhere and got it powder coated or some kind of coated, just because I really need to flip it over, paint it, and then flip it back over again and do it like that. But like when you're working on your own, it's not really possible for me to do that. So I'm painting it obviously from underneath with a gun that doesn't work upside down, and there's so many little bits and corners to get in that you can't get in with a gun. So once I sprayed it all, I then had to go in with a brush to just touch up the bits that I'd missed. So yeah, I'd recommend if you're doing one of these yourself, just get some sort of coating done on it, take it to somewhere. Unless you've got people helping you and you can flip it over and that sort of stuff, then you'll probably be all right. So I'm going to mix up some paint and spray top coat on. so just finished painting the bed and it's come out looking like dog shit. There's paint runs everywhere. Yeah, not happy with it at all. And my advice to people is always, like with building projects, is like, do the stuff that you're good at and then leave the stuff that you're not good at to people that are good at it, and then you'll end up with a final product that's like really good. I always seem to ignore my own advice when it comes to like trying to paint stuff. So then what happens is I'll do it, it'll come out looking like dog, and then I can't be to make a nice job of like the rest of the project. So now I can't be bothered to paint and sort out the chassis on the cab. I just want to chuck that on, get it finished and start using it. Like I don't really care what it looks like because the bed looks like now. I've leant against it here and it's got all bits of t-shirt stuck to it. Yeah, bit of a moan, but yeah, happens sometimes. So tomorrow I'm bolting this on, chassis staying out is, and then gonna go and pick up the next project because this one's gone on too long and I've had enough of it basically. So that's it for this disaster episode, and tomorrow I'm bolting it back together. So cheers for watching, see ya.